I am Chef Vineet Bhatia, and we are at Kama by Vineet at Harrods in London.
I'm the executive chef of the Ivy, the world famous Ivy. My name's Gary Lee.
I'm Mark Tuttiett. I'm here now head chef at Carousel Restaurant.
I'm Luke Dale Roberts. I'm the chef and owner of the Test Kitchen.
There are some dishes that just have the power to transport you into a different time, into a different place altogether. And this is one of those dishes for me.
It enables you to shoot in lower light.
Something simple where it's just in the shot itself and it's focused.
Get that work seen, because that's what we want.
Amazing dish, amazing flavor. That's going to add so much to it.
This is my little secret for umami flavor.
Right, well, why don't we start by you telling me what to do?
We have charcoal going and we're going to barbecue this later.